चैतन्य चंद्राय नमः। चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला एकादश परिच्छेद 57। अनंत नित्यानंद गण के करु गणन अनंत आत्म पवित्रता हेतु लिखिना कत जन आत्म पवित्रता हेतु এই সর্বশাখা পূর্ণ ভক্ত প্রেম ফলে যারে দেখে তারে দিয়া বাসাইল সকলে যারে দেখে তারে দিয়া অনর্গল প্রেম সবার চেষ্টা অনর্গল প্রেম দিতে কৃষ্ণ দিতে ধরি মহাবল প্রেম দিতে কৃষ্ণ দিতে সংক্ষেপে কহিলাম এই নিত্যানন্দ গুণ সংক্ষেপে কহিলাম যারো বোধি না পা সহস্র বদন রূপ রঘুনাথ পদে যার আস শ্রী রঘুনাথ পদে চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত কয়ে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ দাস চৈতন্য চরিতামৃত কয়ে आत्म पवित्रता हेतु लिखिना कत जन्म No one can count the unlimited followers of Nityanand Prabhu. I have mentioned some of them just for my self-purification. এই সর্বশাখা পূর্ণ পক্ব প্রেম ফলে যারে দেখে তারে দিয়া ভাসাইল সকলে All these branches, the devotees of Lord Nityananda, Prabhu, being full of ripened fruits of love of Krishna, distributed these fruits to all they made, flooding them with the love of Krishna. Anargala prema sabha, chesta anargala. Prema dite, Krishna dite, dhare mahabala. All these devotees had unlimited strength to deliver unobstructed and seizing love of Krishna. By their own strength, they could offer anyone Krishna and love of Krishna. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung, Krishna je tomar, Krishna dije paro, tomaro sopoti ache. In this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur describes that the pure Vaishnava, as the proprietor of Krishna and love of Krishna, can deliver both to anyone and everyone he likes. Therefore, to get Krishna and love of Krishna, one must seek the mercy of pure devotees. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur also says, Jasya prasadat bhagavad prasado, Jasya prasanna gati kutopi. By the mercy of the spiritual master, one is benedicted by the mercy of Krishna. Without the grace of the spiritual master, one cannot make any advancement. By the grace of a Vaishnava or bona fide spiritual master, one can get both love of Godhead, Krishna and Krishna himself. Sankhepe kailam ei nityananda gana, jahar avadhi na paye sahasravadana. I have briefly described only some of the followers and devotees of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. Even the 1,000-mouthed Sheshnag cannot describe all of these unlimited devotees. Sri Rupa Raghunath Padijara Aso Chaitanya Charitamrita Kahe Krishna Das. With an ardent desire to serve the purpose of Sri Rupa and Raghunath, I, Krishna Das, narrate Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita, following in their footsteps. And thus I end the Bhaktivedanta purports to the Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, 11th chapter, matter of the expansions of Lord Nityananda. Daso kori betan more deho primandhana. Daso kori betan more deho primandhana. Rosantara bise hoilo biyoga spurana. Udbege bisadadaini hori prolapona. Udbege bisadadaini hori prolapona. Barsar mego prayosru barse dunayana. Barsar mego prayosru barse dunayana. Govinda biraye sunya hoilo tribhuvana. Sanole pure jeno na jaye jibona. Tu sanole pure jeno na jaye jibona. Ki onke imamabu rasana oso. Pani tole, dora tole, seso dosa dosho. Pani tolo, dora tole, seso dosa dosho. Jamuna totini totini kore, keri kadambar mole, jamuna totini যমুনা লৌকিকালো অন্তিম বন্ধু সখী মোর লিপ সর্বগায়ে সখী মোর লিপ সর্বগায়ে শ্যাম নাম তদুপরি লিখ সব সচরি শ্যাম
নাম তদুপরি লিখা সর্ব সহচরি
আম নাম তদুপরি লিখ সব সচরি শ্যাম নাম
তদুপরি লিখা সর্ব সহচরি
তুলসী মঞ্জরি দিও তায়ে তুলসী
জয় দিয় তাই
আমারে বেষ্টন করি বল সবে হরি হরি আমারে
বেষ্টন করি ভোল সর্বে হরি হরি
যখন প্রাণ বাহির যখন
প্রাণবায়ী
কুকুম লইয়া
নিগম সুর গাইয়া
তুমি কেন ব্রজপুরে আইলা তুমি কেন ব্রজপুরে আইলা যার দূত তুমি হেন
যার দুয়ার তুমি
মানিনী মথুরা নারী তার প্রসাদে কর হরি মানিনী মথুরা নারী তার প্রসাদ কর হরি যদু সবাই পাবে বিড়ম্বন যদু সবাই পাবে বিড়ম্বন যার দূত তুমি হেন জন যার দূত তুমি হেন জন Chaitanya Charitamrita Adi Leela, chapter 11. In this chapter, Srila Kaviraj Goswami briefly described only some of the followers of the devotees of Lord Nityananda Prabhu. Even the 1,000 mouths Sheshanag cannot describe all of these unlimited devotees. All these devotees had unlimited strength to deliver unobstructed, unceasing love of Krishna. By their own strength, they could offer anyone Krishna and love of Krishna. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur has sung, Krishna je tomar, Krishna dite par, tomar sukuti ache. In this song, Bhaktivinoda Thakur describes that pure Vaishnava, as the proprietor of Krishna and love of Krishna, can deliver both to anyone and everyone he likes. Therefore, to get Krishna and love of Krishna, one must seek the mercy of a pure Vaishnava, Premi Bhakta. Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur also says, Jasya prasadat bhagavad prasado, jasya prasanna gati kutopi. By the mercy of spiritual master, one is benedicted by the mercy of Krishna. Without the grace of the spiritual master, one cannot make any advancement. By the grace of a Vaishnava or bona fide spiritual master, one can get both love of God, hate Krishna, and Krishna himself. The goal of human life is to get Krishna Prema. That is fifth Purusartha, Parama Purusartha, Supreme Purusartha, fifth Purusartha, that is Krishna Prema. Because Krishna becomes bound up with that Prema. Without that Prema, love of Krishna, nobody can get Krishna. So, the goal of human life is to get Krishna, develop that Krishna Prema, pure Krishna Prema, thereby one can get Krishna. Without that love, nobody can get Krishna. And Mahaprabhu gives that love through chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Hare. The chief result of chanting this Hare Krishna Mahamantra is Krishna Prema. Niraparad lapa. Niraparad naam loile pai Krishna Prema. If your chanting is offenseless, that is pure name, then you will have Krishna Prema, you will get Krishna. So both Gaur and Nitai, they are giving this Krishna Prema through chanting holy name, Hare Krishna. But the symptoms of Prema, that's also said in Sikhyastaka Mahaprabhu's 6th sloka, 6th verse and 7th verse. The external symptom of Prema, Nayanangala Sudharaya Vadanam Gadgada Gira. Pulake Nichiting Bapu Kadatavanam Rahani Bhavishyati. This is the external symptom of Prema. When by chanting your holy name, O Lord, tears will roll down from my eyes. But when by chanting the holy name, tears will roll down, then you can understand you have developed Prema. Tears coming? No. Tears are not coming. If wife will run away, then tears will come. My wife run away. Isn't it? Krishna runs away, tears are not coming. You have not developed Prema, love for Krishna, who is the object of love, isn't it? Yes. Nayanangalada Sudharaya Vadanam Gadgada Rudhaya Gira. Pulakei Nichitam Bapu Kadasavanam Grahane Bhavishyati. When by chanting your holy name, the tears will roll down from my eyes like torrential rains. My voice will be choked up, faltered voice. All the hairs on my body will be erected. You understand? Then you'll see this is the external symptom of Prema. The internal symptom of Prema, Mahaprabhu said, Prema dhana vina vyartha daridra jivana dasa kori betan mori deha prema mana. This Prema is invaluable wealth, dhana, as said. One who has gotten this Prema, dhana, is real wealthy person. Dhani is real wealthy person, isn't it? Are you wealthy or poor? Poor. Materially poor, isn't it? Or spiritually poor? Both poor. Now one side poor. Both side poor or one side poor? You understand? Material world, one who has material money, his bank balance, isn't it? $100,000 is wealthy person, isn't it? Wealthy person is not poor. Penniless? No, penny is poor, we say. But really poor is he who has not gotten Krishna Prema. Is really poor. What is the value of material wealth? Today it is with you, tomorrow it is not there. What is the value? But this is real wealth, Krishna Prema Dhana. Krishna Prema is the real wealth. Atajva. That is real wealth. Prema dhyana bina vyartha daridra jivan dasa kari betan more deha prema. My life is useless because I have no Krishna Prema. I have not gotten this Prema Dhana, this wealth. Invaluable wealth, Krishna Prema. I am really poor. I am really poor. Who is really endowed with Krishna Prema is really a rich person, wealthy person, yes. Prema Dhana Dhani. Dasa kari betan more deva Prema Dhana. Oh Lord, Krishna, please make me your das, servant, I will serve you. And give me Prema Dhana. I don't, Nandana. I don't ask for the material wealth from you. I want this Prema Dhana only. Give me that Prema Dhana. No material wealth. This is only asking for. Rasantara Vesya Haila Biyogas Purana, Udbege Visada Danya Kori Purapan, Mahaprabhu. Thought of like this, then Mahaprabhu felt the pangs of separation from Krishna, who is Krishna himself. He is teaching us. Then he is crying, moroseness, crying. These are the external symptoms of prema. Internal symptom, Jugayitam nimishena chakyusa prabhusayitam sunyayitam jagat sarvam govinda virahena me. This is internal symptom of prema. One was felt, who is feeling the pangs of separation. Govinda virahena, feeling the pangs of separation from Govinda, Brajaraja Nandana, Sarvananda Maharaj. The movement seems to be a great juga. Yes, when you feel such thing, then you can understand really developed prema. Jugayitam nimishena chakyusa prabhusayitam, always. Tears will be rolling down from our eyes like torrential rain. It's coming out, not coming. Then, no prema at all. Sunyayitam jagat sarvam, whole world will seem to be empty. Yes, I cannot see Govinda. This is what? This is what? Udbege divasana jay, khyana hoila jugasama. Varsar mega prayo sru varse dvinayana. Khyana, a movement seems to be a great juga. That is the internal symptom of prema, feeling. Varsar mega pray, like torrential rain, tears are rolling down continuously from two eyes. Crying, weeping. Govinda virahe sunya hila tribhuvana tusanale pudejana nadaya jivana. Feeling the pangs of separation from Govinda, Brajaraja Nandana, son of Nanda Maharaj. His whole world empty. Tusanale pudejana nadaya jivan. This separation, this viraha is like a fire, isn't it? Viraha agni, viraha tapa. So, very intense heat, very intense heat, and this is fire, viraha agni. You understand? Fire of separation, it burns the heart. You understand? Very acute, very painful it is. Are you feeling? No. Tusanale pudejana nadaya jivan. If you set fire to the husk, husk, set fire, very gradual, slowly burning, slow burning, isn't it? It will never burn very ablaze and turn into ashes. No, very slow burning. Similarly, this burning is there, very acute, it is unbearable. This burning in the heart, the fire of separation, do you understand? But it's slow burning. It's not burning completely and making me dead. Just slow burning. Life is not getting out. Such I feel. The same feeling Mahaprabhu has. This Radharani is feeling. Same feeling Mahaprabhu has.